continuing on with our team previews for the year, we're talking about the team who started the whole Ken Roczen, who will he ride for thing, ClubMX, Muc-off, Yamaha FXR, they have a bunch of names, but the Muc-off ClubMX Yamaha team. This year, we are losing Alex Martin and Jace Owen from their team, and their lineup is going to be Jeremy Martin, Garrett Marchbanks, Enzo Lopes, and Filthy Phil Nicoletti. Last year, Jeremy Martin finished 17th in 250 East. Garrett Marchbanks was 8th in the 250 West. Enzo Lopes 5th in the 250 East. And Nicoletti 12th in the East, with Garrett Marchbanks also finishing 11th in 450s. That's pretty good. And it's one of those things that, I always hear Garrett Marchbanks' name, and I think he's got to be 25, 26, 27. No, he's 21. He's really young. He just had injury problems and hasn't been able to be consistent and stay on a big team. But he's got, being 21, he still has a long time, especially if he's already been racing 450s outdoors. Who knows? Obviously, Enzo Lopes is one of those people that last year a lot of people thought he should have been on a bigger squad, gotten more of a factory ride, but who knows with that too. Filthy Phil, he's just a fan favorite. He's always there. He's fun, whatever. And Jeremy Martin, being a massive veteran at this point, being a big name, they're a good team. Will they contend for wins? Maybe. Top 10s, definitely. Top 5s, we could get there. We could see that. It just depends on how well they all do. Filthy Phil has had his injury problems. Garrett Marchbanks definitely. Jeremy Martin also with his injury problems. So if they all can stay healthy, I see a pretty good year for these guys, but that's going to be the same thing. I mean, you can say that with any rider, any team whatsoever. They all have to stay healthy and be consistent. But with these guys, injury problems, you definitely have to say. If they can stay healthy, I'm expecting some good good results from them. And we'll see. But in the comments down below, you tell me. How well do you think they're going to do? Who is going to be the best of them or have the most consistent season? Whatever it is, make sure to comment in the section below because it helps me. Like, share, subscribe, comment, do all the fun things because doing the YouTube game, obviously, algorithm is key and it really helps me and I appreciate it very much. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.